Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here. Wait, don't mind that. 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 Let's just wait. Okay, welcome back. I mean hi. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a crate so you can get weapons. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So first let's make a simple crate. What the fuck? Let's make a simple crate. Oh wait, let's do. Oh, that's tiny as hell. There we go. So that's gonna be our crate. Let's get our building dummy. Go to avatar, rig builder, R6 or R15 depending on what you're using. See how big this is. That's too big, you see? Too big as well. Okay, perfect. That's small. Not really. Okay, 3x3. Being fast. So this is gonna be our crate. Let's make it this. Why not? Let's make it wood. And you don't have to do this, but I hate using 2022 materials. It looks like ass. So this is gonna be your crate, and if your crate has multiple parts, please just put it in a union. Unions might break, but you have to tween it. Yeah, you're gonna come across some problems. Use a for loop, I don't give a fuck. So let's put a proximity prompt. We're gonna be making a crate that gives you a weapon, right? A randomized weapon. So let's make 3 tools. Let's give them a handle. Can put can be dropped to false. And now rename all of these parts to handles because it requires a handle, of course. Handle is the main part of a tool. For your information. Damn! Go over here. You drag it to replicated storage. Yeah, okay. I don't care. So a proximity prompt. You can do this. I don't care. Wait. Can I hold duration? Now let's go to our script. So let's define our replicated storage. You can use RS for short. This is what we call a variable. It shortens things. Like this is the name, and then this is the path to what you want it to be. See? Oh wait, we need to make these have names. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3 equals RS. Wait for child, tool. I just copy this. Tool 3. Now what I like to do is to separate these by a space. Looks cooler. And let's get a proximity prompt. Let's just name it PP. Okay, never mind. Okay. Let's do it like that because camel, it's like a font for scripters. So cool, right? Script.parent. That's the crate. Script parent. P for child. Proximity prompt. Proximity prompt that triggered connect function. Player who triggered it. So after it's triggered, they're gonna give a random. So let's go over here, math.random. Depending on how many tools you have, tool 1 to 1, tool 2, tool 3. We have 3 tools, so 1 to 3. I think we need a raise for this. Okay, that's okay because Riz knows everything. I think, right? I don't know. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3. as an array. Is that how you make an array? I don't think that's how you make an array. Okay, I'm sorry, I used the wrong brackets. You have to use these wiggly things. Also, I'll zoom in it for you, so it'll look better. Anyways, we have to go for here. What the fuck? Math.random. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, I kind of forgot some of these. I had to pull up one of my old scripts. Sorry. So, array, math.random. You have to put in 1 to 3 actually. Just do hashtag array. Hashtag array basically 1, 2, 3 number. See, I'm smart. Just so smart. Anyways, now what we need to do for this random thing is we need to give it to the player. How do we do that? I guess. I don't really want to guess. That's sad. So what we need to do, we need to put this in the player's starter pack. And so we need to clone this. What am I doing? Oh god. Clone. Random clone dot parent equals player dot starter pack. Don't be scared if it's not saying the thing. Just means that we don't have a player, okay? Like, it does not know what that is. And if you want it to be put, like, each time you respawn, you're gonna have a weapon, put it in player.startergear and player.starterpack. Got it? Like this. You put it like both of these. You put like that. Oh wait. Oh wait. No. You gotta clone it again. See? Like that. That's how you do it. If you wanna put it each time you respawn, gets into your you have it. So now after we did that, we need to remove the crate. But I really want to use some tween service because tween service is my favorite. Okay, tween service has three main things. Instance, which means the thing you're gonna tween on. So we have to do script.parent because script parent. And then tween info, not new. Add the not new, okay? You do not know how many scripts I have failed because of not using .new, okay? Please listen. Also add that comma there. And now we go transparency equals 1. This number is a delay. And this can also be easing style, but I'm not into that. So this is just a delay, number 1. After we did that, tween play, and then tween.completed. When the tween is completed, wait yields. What yields mean it will, wait until this thing is finished. See? Smart. And after that's finished, we're gonna remove the crate. Crazy, right? Gosh, I really wanna sneeze! Okay, let's try this. If you have any issues, just tell me in the comments. This is pretty easy. Basic level knowledge. Why are we so far? Oh my god, it's me. That's crazy. Look at that. We interact. Oh no, there's an error. Ooh, starter pack. Wait. Okay, so what seems the problem? Because of this hierarchy. Oh yeah, I'm talking about this. Yeah, I don't think that's a part of player either. I'm sorry for being such a bitch. What the okay. Do not press F8. It was supposed to be backpack. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Wait, why am I pressing run? This is crazy. Anyways, let's go to our crate again. That's 50 miles away from us. Now when we interact, oh, that's a problem. The proximity prompt is still there. Ooh, yeah, that's cool. And now we are done with the simple crate thing that gives you a random tool. Let's go. Perfect, we got our cool tool. Let's go. Anyways, I'll see you later. That was just a simple tutorial. Yeah. Yeah, go cure yourself. Yeah, love you. Bye.